Okay,
Voilà.
we are going to start with the system, and this is a bit complicated. So, you see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, to begin, we're going to watch a short video. It's about 3 minutes.
There's nothing else.
What you doing there?
Right.
But maybe we could figure
Out an organ that rules all of our body, and that is our brain. As it is the most sensitive organ, our brain is kept inside a bony covering called skull. From doing physical activity to solving logical problems, from dealing with emotions and feeling to creativity, the brain is responsible for all. Therefore, it never sleeps. Our brain can be divided into three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the first part of brain, which can be further divided into right and left halves, called hemisphere. Each cerebral hemisphere has four lobes, namely frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. Each lobe performs different functions. Cerebellum is responsible for movement and coordination. It gives you sense of balance and thus prevents you from falling down. Brainstem includes midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. It controls your body's involuntary actions, like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Brain comes under a system called nervous system. Structurally, nervous system is classified into two types: central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system comprises of the brain and spinal cord. The spinal cord is the bridge that connects the brain to peripheral nervous system. It starts from medulla oblongata and stretches to lumbar region of the spine or vertebral column. The peripheral nervous system is a network of nerves spread across our body. Think of peripheral nervous system as a network of highway that connects the body with central nervous system. This highway has two-way traffic. Let's see how. When you hold a hot cup of coffee, sensory neurons in your hand transmit signal to brain through sensory neurons, also called afferent neurons. The cup is hot. Your brain
I'm doing something.
send response through motor neurons, known as neurons, that you must put that cup back. PNS consists of total 43 pairs of nerve, among which 12 originate in brain, named as cranial nerves, and 31 originate from spinal cord, hence called as spinal nerves. Here, you hear the word neuron. Neuron is the basic unit of nervous system. It is the nerve cell which transmit electrical signals to brain. A neuron has three parts: dendrites, soma or cell body, and axon. Dendrites serve as input device for neuron because it receives input from other nerve cells. Soma or cell body of neuron contains nucleus. Axons serve as output device from where it transmits electrical response to other neurons. I hope this helps you in understanding nervous system.
Okay. So, I know it was a lot of information in that short piece of time. I just, it's
I'm
basically
not hearing it. I hearing you, but I'm not hearing you.
okay. You hear me better?
Yeah.
All right. So I know that the video had a lot of information, and it just basically covered everything that we are going to learn today. So
Hmm.
if it is, you could tell me anything that you gathered from the video. It don't have to be everything, but anything that stuck with you from the video.
That the nervous system is like a two-way, well, a highway, everything is, how to put it? When the neuron, or when you touch something, your brain, that feeling will send a signal to your brain, and your brain will do something, and then it come down, and it's either there to tell you if it's too hot or too cold, or the case may be. So that's where you put down the cup, or you probably hold the cup. You understand? Yeah.
All right. Okay. So today we are going to learn about all these things.
Mm-hmm.
The first thing we're going to deal with is our nervous system, of course. So our nervous system is the most complex system of our body. You know, we have all our systems, our skeletal system, our respiratory system, muscular system. This system is the most complex system because it controls our entire body,
Controls everything.
right?
Mm-hmm.
It controls everything from movement and thinking to breathing and
Breathing.
your heart rate and stuff,
Mm.
right? Our
Yeah.
nervous system, like we were saying before, it allows us to respond to changes in environment. Like you were saying with the cup, if you pick up
Yeah.
something that's hot, it tells your body that it's too hot and we react to that, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Our nervous system could be divided both structurally and functionally. In this video, you saw only structurally, but also it could be divided functionally. So we're
Functional.
not going to go into functionally today, we are only going to be dealing with structurally. Okay?
All right. Yeah.
So structurally, it is divided into our central nervous system and our peripheral nervous system, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right. So our central nervous system consists of our brain and our spinal cord, right?
Yeah.
Now, our brain has over 10 billion nerves, and it is divided into three parts: your cerebrum, your cerebellum,
Mm.
and your brainstem.
Yeah.
Okay, so our cerebrum is the largest part of our brain, and it controls thinking, memory, and speaking.
Speaking.
It also identifies the information gathered by our sensory organs. As we know, our sensory organs are our eyes, ears, mouth, nose,
Yes.
and
Mm.
right. So
Yeah.
our cerebellum controls things like balance and posture and coordination. So when you need to stand and you need to walk and you need to sit up straight, all of these things is controlled by our cerebellum. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Our brainstem controls involuntary actions such as breathing, heartbeat, and blood pressure.
Yeah.
Right. So the next thing in our central nervous system is our spinal cord. And our
Mm-hmm.
spinal cord runs down our vertebral column. And this connects our brain to the rest of our body.
Yeah.
Right? So you know that our brain controls everything. And
Mm-hmm.
we need to have some way to connect our brain to our body, right? And that is the job of our spinal cord. Understood everything so far? You need me to go over anything?
Nah.
Okay. So the next part of our nervous system would be our peripheral nervous system, and these are all the other nerves in our body. We have your brain and your spinal cord, right? So,
Yeah.
and we have nerves throughout the rest of our body, and
Uh-huh.
all of those nerves would make up your peripheral nervous system.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sensory signals.
These nerves in our peripheral nervous system carries messages from our central nervous system to our body. So the information that we gather in our brain, right? And it needs to be distributed throughout our body.
Mm-hmm.
That is the job of the peripheral nervous system.
Repeat that again.
So let's say that we know the brain is responsible for gathering the information, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But how do they get the information?
Mm.
Right. So our peripheral nerves is responsible for carrying that message.
To the. All right. Okay. Now I understand.
All right. Now, how do they carry that message? Through afferent and efferent neurons.
Mm.
These afferent are sensory signals from your central nervous system, which is your brain and your spinal cord, to your peripheral system. You understand that?
So afferent is signals from your central nervous system.
Sensory signals, don't forget that.
Sensory signals from your central nervous system,
Yeah.
from your peripheral nervous system.
Yes.
Right there.
Your efferent neuron sends motor signals
Mm-hmm.
from your central nervous system to your peripheral nervous system.
Right.
So you would let's say you touch a hot cup, right?
Mm-hmm.
How does that travel to the brain?
I have to answer.
Yeah, please, Sam.
Oh. Um. So yeah, it starts with afferent.
You're
Right?
asking me or telling me?
No, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Right? So when so the hot pot will be like the stimulus over the environment will be,
Okay.
right? So when I touch the hot pot, so it going through your peripheral nervous system,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that will be the sensory signals.
Mm-hmm.
So you go to your central nervous system,
Right.
right? So it's in your brain.
Right. And how
Your
does
brain.
that information from your brain gets to the desired body part?
Right. So your brain do whatever it has to do, and then it sends back a signal to your motor. Yeah, sends back to your motor signal. Well, not signals or motor. Send back a motor signal to your peripheral nervous system, and that'll be efferent, right? And they, yeah, and they to tell it either to like a depot, which you should, right? And yeah.
All right. Now, in the video, we learned about our nervous tissue.
Who?
Nervous tissue or your nerve cell.
Yeah.
Now, your nervous tissue is made up of two cells. Main cell are called neurons.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Consists of your axon, your dendrite, your cell body, your nucleus,
Mm-hmm.
your Schwann cell, lobe of Ranvier,
Swan. Uh-huh.
your axon terminals,
Yeah, dendrites.
and your myelin sheath.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, it is important to remember that with a neuron, signals only travel in one direction.
You who?
The signals,
Uh-huh.
it only travels in one direction.
Right. And what that direction is?
And that is from your dendrites
Mm-hmm.
to your axon terminals.
All right.
So the next cell is your neuroglia, and they serve a more supportive function. They just support neurons in sending blood throughout the body.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So I want to show you just now. I'm have to stop share for a moment. I need to show you what an axon looks like. What your neurons look like. Sorry. So I have a diagram of a neuron. Hold on a minute. Huh? I'm gonna find it. There it is. I'm having slight technical difficulty. Okay, I'm trying to find my diagram of a neuron, and it's proving difficult. There it is. Right, so this is what your neurons look like. You seen it?
Yeah.
All right, so we have our dendrites to the top,
Mm-hmm.
and we have our cell body.
Mm-hmm.
We have our nucleus,
Yeah.
and this is our axon. Now be careful between noting the difference between our axon and our axon terminal.
Mm-hmm.
We have our myelin sheath.
Yeah.
This small, nice little knob here would be our Schwann cells.
Mm-hmm.
The structure
Swan cells.
each of our axon would be your nodes of Ranvier.
Ravine. Ravine. Ranvier. Ravine. Yeah.
And last thing at the end would be your axon terminal.
Yep. Yeah.
Now, you are going to have to label your own nerve cell. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
See, let's start with number one. Oh yeah,
And I've seen a number one.
I don't say I know. I don't see that they're not numbered. So, uh, just now. Let's see. You see my screen?
Mm-hmm. It looking half tear.
What do you mean?
Part of the labeled levels tissues
Yeah.
on the screen, and it have a blank, and then it have a white paper over the kissing.
Yes. You still seeing that?
Yeah. Still seeing.
So,
Should close it off. Press the red instead.
yes, no. I don't see. Probably I have too many things open, and that's why.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So better.
Yeah, seeing. Yeah.
So I will point and you will tell me what it is since it's not numbered. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this point here would be your what?
Wait. Oh, right. Your dendrites.
Right. And here would be your
Your nucleus. The eye. Yeah.
okay. And here would be your
Your cell body.
all right. And this would be
your myelin sheet.
That's correct. And this would be
It's called a swan. Swan one cells or swan
one.
cells.
Yes. And this would be your
Your nodes of vena, ravine or vena.
and last thing would be
Your axon terminal.
okay. Now, what is this thing missing? We just spoke of it.
The arrow. The arrow is supposed to go from your dendrites to the axon terminal.
And what is that arrow for?
Direction of let's call that signal or something.
Your direction of impulse.
Direction of impulse. Right, yeah.
Signal travel.
My bad.
The last thing that we're going to be doing today is basically a little compare and contrast, and that is your central nervous system versus your peripheral nervous system. Right?
Yep.
So we know that your central nervous system is made up of your brain and your spinal cord, and they contain the neurons, right?
Yeah.
They are
Trying to look at it here.
They are responsible for integrating information gathered by your sensory organs, right? And it has effectors, that are the cells that react in response to receptors.
I'll be the same efferent and thing.
Yeah, something like that. Okay. Now, our peripheral nervous system consists of all the rest of nerves in our body that are cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and the peripheral nerves makes up our peripheral nervous system, right?
Yeah.
They contain sensory and motor neurons.
Sensory motor neurons.
And it's responsible for detecting the change in environment.
Right, yeah.
Right? And it have receptors, which are cells that react to a specific stimulus. Like you were saying before with the hot cup. Our receptors is the ones that senses that the cup is hot. Right? And then the message goes to our brain.
Or the sense of touch.
Yes. And that message goes to our brain. And then our effectors of brain send a signal to our effectors, right? That change that action. So if it is, let's say the cup is hot, sends a signal to the brain, or brain will send signals to the effectors to tell your hand or to drop the cup.
Yeah.
Right? Make it sense?
Yeah, making sense.
Okay, so that's basically what we had to do for today. I have a nice little quiz for you to do here. You have pen and paper or you're going verbally?
Describe the main cells. So just see. What's that? Exactly divided into how many parts? Go verbally, I guess.
Okay. So number one.
Let's get them in so that covers nervous tissues. So, nervous tissues. That would be your, what's called again, the nerve cell or the
Okay.
nerves.
And what is it made up of?
Made up of cells. Well,
It is a
nerves.
cell. It's one cell. It's not made up of cells.
What is made up of?
Yes. It consists of, we just went through this. It consists of your dendrites, your axons, your myelin.
Oh yeah.
That is what makes up your nervous tissue or your nerve cell.
Yeah. I
Number
should.
two.
What is the two difference between central nervous system and the PN? So the central nervous system controls everything, right? And it has, how to put it, other functions.
Okay.
On it, well, it's split up in three different areas. So you'll have the spinal cord and the cerebellum and the cerebellum. Yeah. And the PNS, peripheral nervous system, they more deal with your sensory skills like touch, sight. So they send those signals to your brain saying, okay, this and this is what's going on, or this is what you see, and tell you what's happening, to send a signal back to the body, to those motor neurons or motor nerves, to tell you what to do. So you
Does it?
yeah.
Okay. I understand what you're trying to say, but I was only looking for answers like our central nervous system consists of our brain and our spinal cord.
Yeah,
It's
right.
responsible for the integration of information, like simple stuff like that. I didn't need you to go into details. After all, it's just format, right? And last
Working
question.
for them 4 marks.
number 3. Let's hear.
System is actually divided into how many parts? The nervous system, well, divided in. Okay.
This question
Which it divided into 2 parts.
Yes.
Right, nice. So it will be the central nervous system, as I said, which deals with the brain, the spinal cord, right?
Okay.
And the peripheral nervous system, the PNS, deals with all the nerves in your body that come from your spinal cord, case maybe, or in your body.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it for today. Um, I think we have a better understanding of what your nervous system is. And not like we may need to recap this a couple more times before you fully get it. But I think you have the general understanding.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So thank you, and that's all for today.
Yep.